Hi everyone, it's VT from Phoenix Trading Inc. About to do my analysis for the week on Euro USD, my favorite pair. So let's jump right on in. Starting at the daily chart, we see here Euro USD is in a downtrend channel. So going forward, we keep that in mind that possibly our bias is short. We know that price fluctuates up and down, but the main bias we have, judging from this daily chart, is short, because price came back below our previous support level 17,308, then it broke back up, held for a couple of days, broke back below, got tested numerous times as resistance, rejection, then finally price fell to the downside, testing our support trend line from the channel that we have, and then we rallied all the way up for 430 pips. So now we hit a rejection at the same price again, 17,308, and price is falling nicely from the daily. So keep in mind that momentum is short for the Euro USD. Checking out our H4 here, we see that now we are at the top part of our channel, our inner channel. So this is the daily, this line is the daily channel. So now this is the inner channel that we have, and it's also a downtrend channel. So from H4, should we close below this resistance area of the trend line, we'd be looking to take shorts on our H1 time frame. So going to our H1, so price, let me get a trend line. So price broke this counter trend line to the upside and currently is retesting. Let's see. So we are currently in a retest. Yeah, we are currently in a retest. As you can see, we have a 1, 2. On the third touch, the price broke, retested, and went down, but got rejected at support right there. So we couldn't break this previous low. So rejection, and we went back up to retest this counter trend line that price previously broke. As you can see here, price went in and now it's coming back below. So the closure of this candle will determine what we do next. So we currently have 2 touches. So now it's 1, 2. Let me put in some clips there. So it's 1 touch, and two touches. So now what we are waiting for here, it's either price will break to the upside, testing the resistance level of our day 1 channel here, our outer channel here, or price will get rejected, come to this low side. I think there might be a bit of a support there also. Yeah, so now price will come to the downside, retest again, maybe forming a double top if it doesn't fall the first time. Then should it get rejected again for the second time here, we'll be expecting the price to break this low, retest, and take our sell to the downside. So I think for the week, Euro USD is looking good for shorts, depending on what price does on our H4 and how we close off the day. I'm expecting a lot more bearish momentum going to the downside. Target is support level 14,585. So that will make it let's see quickly here. Should we break our entry, will be below below our minor support over there. So checking how many pips we be looking to gain should price go in our direction. 139, 140 pips to the downside, so we'll see how it plays out. This is VT signing out. Check out my partner Madots on his analysis on usdcad. Phoenix Trading Inc. out.
Hi everybody. Okay, I'm looking at the usdcad today, and I have identified an interesting channel. This was a false breakout for me on a, you can do it on the daily as well. You see how the market just got rejected, consolidation went down, got rejected. So I'm thinking downtrend even on a daily, bigger time frame. You see that, but let's focus on the H4. We can even draw another line just to identify a channel. So this is our channel here, right? So I'm expecting price got rejected here, got rejected. This area is very important as well. You see on the H4, you can put a trend support and resistance line there. Got rejected, rejected. So it's going down for me. So what I would suggest is that you wait for it to probably get out of this area. Let's make it go. This is now the space that it has to go out of before you can form your bias. Then we can use our fibs tell us where we should take our take profit, and trading made easy really. This is the TP1. Different shade. There we go. So we have nice 1:2. 1:2, right? That's an okay channel of 100, almost 200. So yeah, it's 1:2. But ideally, you would like to see profit taking somewhere here because of this structure here. You see, so we like to see profit taking here since it is on a downtrend. So it will be a beautiful 1:2 risk reward. So let's see how it plays out. Yeah, that's my chin up. I'm looking at this pair. My bias is short as soon as it breaks down here. All right, cool. That's it.